If you're using AliExpress for your Shopify dropshipping business, then you gotta watch this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now more specifically, if you're looking to start a Shopify store or wanted to actually create a dropshipping business, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. In fact, if you actually head over to my YouTube channel, you'll see a long list of Shopify video tutorials that you can indulge yourself to actually learning how to make money with a Shopify dropshipping business. Now, in today's video, I wanted to address a common question that many people ask, which is, Fred, what is the best practices when it comes to sourcing products on AliExpress? Now, here's the deal. AliExpress is by far one of the best platforms for any dropshippers to start finding products and sell it inside their Shopify store. However, there are actually certain scams by AliExpress vendors that you gotta watch out for, because if you work with the wrong vendor, what will end up happening is that you're gonna actually get more refunds, your customer may not be even receiving the product, or even your product is going to be in bad quality, which really destroys your brand. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you the 3 steps that I take each time I look for a new product and even working with a new vendor. And I'm gonna share with you exactly what they are. So first thing first, as you know, when you go to AliExpress.com, you have literally access into millions of products to sell. And there are tens of thousands of vendors that you can work with where they essentially drop ship the products that you are selling. So by simply doing a search in their search engine, you will actually find a lot of products that you can simply resell right on your website without even holding any inventory. However, this is a trap in disguise, because a lot of these vendors actually do not own the manufacturing facility. And what happened is that these vendors can create a store on AliExpress and actually upload products just like dropshipping, and all they're doing is simply buying products from other vendors and simply ship it on your behalf to your customer. And when that happens, first of all, there's no quality control. Number 2, you're gonna experience a much longer delay for your customer to actually receive your product. So each time we look for new products, when we do a search in the AliExpress search engine, the first thing that we look at is essentially the product review rating. We need to ensure that there are legitimate reviews on the product, and it has to be 4.5 or above. Because after all, we want to let other customers of theirs to tell us the quality of the product, and more importantly, if they're actually even receiving the product or not. And as I go down the search results and I actually find the ones that I want and I click on them, the next thing that I look at is essentially scrolling all the way down to simply read what people are saying and writing about the product. You will find that legitimate product owners or vendors will actually allow people to upload a real photo of the products that they are receiving, so that way you yourself don't need to essentially order the product, wait for a week or 2 to actually see the quality of the product. You can actually see what other customers are uploading and what they're writing about that particular product, so that you can actually learn everything from there. At the end of the day, any time that you are looking to actually resell a product, the customer review section is by far the most important section of all. Now, if it passed our check on number 1, having a product rating of 4.5 and above and actually having legitimate customer reviews, the next thing that we click on is essentially the actual store of the vendor. The first thing that we look at are the three main ratings, which is delivery time, customer service, and product quality. They are all classified and rated in a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being the worst, 5 being the best. Now, let's be honest, it's very hard for a vendor to get 5 out of 5. So what we actually look out for is to ensure that all three of these ratings are 4.5 and above. So that if all three are classified as above average, then we know for a fact that this vendor that we want to work with is going to be one that is reliable and have good communication, and more importantly, you're gonna actually get good quality products. But at the end of the day, we don't just look at those three ratings. We actually go even visit their store to see if they are specialized in that particular niche. At the end of the day, you want to work with specialized vendors, not ones that have a general store that resell anything and everything, because oftentimes those stores are really arbitraging inventory from other manufacturers, and you don't want that to happen. And you don't want to work with vendors that actually don't own the manufacturing facility. So when you go into the actual vendor store, you can actually see if all they are selling, for example, let's say that you're selling a kitchen gadget, or wanted to sell a kitchen gadget, you wanted to actually see if their store actually sells only kitchen gadget items. And if they do, you know that they are a specialized niche store that potentially and more likely to own their own manufacturing plant. However, if they are ones that have a general store and sell anything and everything, oftentimes we would actually avoid them at all costs just to ensure that we get the best quality product and that we're working directly with the manufacturer. And as I said, there are a lot of vendors out there that are just arbitraging other manufacturing facilities and warehouse and simply don't even have products in their warehouse. And that's gonna actually affect the quality of the product and also, most important, the delivery. So that when you actually do work with these vendors that don't have the products and are arbitraging, then you are gonna get one of the most worst customer support nightmare from your customer. So with that being said, I hope that this really gives you a perspective on what are the best practices to find drop shipping products on AliExpress, especially finding vendors that are going to be working with you but not against you. So with that being said, listen, if you want to actually learn step by step and get us to hold your hand to build your very own drop shipping business to profit online, I'll leave some links in the video description right down below for you to check it out. But with that being said, if you want to learn more about Shopify dropshipping, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.